Hello and welcome to this unboxing video. Today we are unboxing the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. The variant that we have with us comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Let's take a look at what you get in the box. The first thing you see is the documentation envelope followed by the smartphone itself. We will get to that a little later. Taking the wraps off the phone, the Note 9 Pro feels big in the hands and the gradient color design does look quite good. We'll turn it on and set it aside for now. Now let's come back to the white envelope. It houses a transparent TPU case that fits perfectly with the phone. The edges of the case are raised to protect it from drops. You also get a user guide and a warranty card along with a SIM card tray remover in the envelope. Now inside the box you get a 30-watt fast charger and a USB-C cable for fast charging the 5000 mAh battery you get in the phone. Now coming back to the Note 9 Pro, the phone runs on the Snapdragon 720G platform with MIUI 11 on top. The phone feels fast and snappy in the hands and doesn't take quite long to set up. So that was a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. Thanks for watching.